Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Lightning Experience in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to send consistent, professional emails to your contacts without having to rewrite the same message over and over again. First, let's get started by clicking the app launcher, which you'll find in the top left corner of your screen. It's the waffle icon that looks like a grid of 9 dots. Once you click it, you'll see a search bar appear. Go ahead and type email templates into that search bar. This will filter through all the available apps and features in Salesforce to find exactly what you need. From the search results, select email templates. This opens up the email template management area where you can view existing templates or create new ones. To create your own template, click the new email template button. This is where the actual setup begins. You'll now see a form where you can configure your template. Start by typing your template name in the email template name field. For example, you might call it welcome email. If you're planning to use this for new customer outreach, choose something descriptive so you and your team can easily identify it later. Next, you'll need to select a related object in the related entity type dropdown. This step is important because it determines whether your email can pull in dynamic fields from Salesforce records. For instance, if you select contact, you can insert merge fields like first name or company name into your email. If your email doesn't need any record-specific information, you can leave this set to --none --. Now type an optional description in the description field. This helps other users on your team understand when and how to use this template, which is especially helpful if you're working in a shared environment. Click Select Folder and choose where you want to store this template. You might pick Private Email Templates if it's just for you, or select a shared folder if your team needs access. Once you've chosen, click Select to confirm. Now it's time to write your actual email. Type your email subject in the subject field. For example, you could write something like "Welcome to our coffee shop," then move down to the HTML value field, which is the large editor box where you'll compose your email body. Use the toolbar to format your text, add links, or insert images to make your email look polished and professional. Finally, click Save at the bottom right to store your new template. Your email template is now ready to use whenever you need it, saving you time and ensuring your messaging stays consistent across your communications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.